Open your rough draft and change the share option so that anyone at Appalachian State with the link can comment. Copy that link, click Done. In the Forum for Coffeehouse Work rough draft of a literature review, find your old post or your original post and click Discuss this topic. Then reply to yourself with the link that you've just copied. Maybe take the extra step to hyperlink that in for all of us. Make sure that you click Post to Forum. So now there is the original post that you made and this updated post that allows for people to comment. Find the updated posts of people who are in Group B of your coffee house. You should already have read their work because we were going to discuss it in class today. Open their original post so that you can access their reply. Click on or open the document that has been shared for commenting, and then leave comments. One should be positive, smiley face, and the other should make some sort of suggestion or ask a question or give advice about what might be changed to make the literature review better. You could also remind people of the assignment's expectations. Remember that your 2 comments should not look like anyone else's comments. So the earlier you leave your comments, the easier this task will be. And to be clear, this is an assignment, not an optional request. Make sure that you have left your comments by 11:55 p.m. on Saturday night. And in order to facilitate that process, please make sure that you have offered the link or updated the link that will allow for commenting tonight by 11:55 p.m. Stay warm and have fun. See you on Monday.